Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate subscription management with Chargebee, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Chargebee website. Create a free account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information including your name, email address, and password. Once registered, log into your new Chargebee account. You'll land on the Chargebee dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Settings tab in the bottom left corner. Click on Settings to access various configuration options. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Subscription section. Here, you'll find options to manage your subscription plans. Click on Create a new plan to start setting up your first subscription product. Fill in the necessary details such as plan name, description, and pricing. Select the billing cycle that suits your product offering. Adjust settings for trial periods, if applicable. Save your new plan once you've completed all necessary fields. Next, go to the Customers section in the left menu. Click on Add Customer to create your first customer profile. Fill out the customer details, ensuring you add their billing information. Once the customer is created, head back to the Subscriptions tab. Choose the customer you just added from the list. Select the subscription plan you created earlier. Complete the checkout process for that customer. Next, navigate to the Invoices section to review billing information. Familiarize yourself with how invoices are generated and sent. You can automate invoice sending in the settings under Email Notifications. Go to the Email Notifications section and customize invoice. Make sure to enable automatic email notifications for new invoices. Once configured, you'll find that Chargebee can handle recurring billing by itself. For more complex scenarios, explore the Webhooks section. Webhooks allow you to set up automated notifications for specific events. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.